Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today again we are going to discuss the rest of the chapter. Chapter number 7, Hadi meets her grandfather, written by Johanna Sperry. And as I have told you yesterday also, that the main characters are Hadi and her grandfather. Okay, and we have discussed yesterday that how Hadi had come to her grandfather, and how she was exploring each and every corner of the house, and how was her experience, first day experience at her grandfather's home. Okay, so we have discussed about the room. Okay, we have discussed about the room, like it was good sized room and there was a table and a chair, and in one corner there is a grandfather's bed and in other was the hearth. And next question which Hadi asked, that where she was going to sleep, and her grandfather answered, wherever you like. Okay, and then Hadi began to search or tour each and every corner of the house where it would be pleasantest, where it would be most um re- where it would be enjoyable to sleep. Okay, in one corner there was a grandfather bed, which were there she saw a ladder which was leading to the hayloft. And hayloft, I have already told you, that a room directly under the roof for storing hay and straw. Okay, and then she make a bed with the help of the hay. Okay, she made a bed with the help of the hay, and on one side she put some extra hay so that it can take a shape of a pillow. And she asked her grandfather to arrange a sheet or bed sheet, uh, so that she can spread on that bed which was made of hay. Till here we have read yesterday. Now we are going to read further. Okay, so I after making the bed, Hadi was saying that I wish it was night so that I might get inside it at once, said Hadi. And Hadi was wishing कि अभी रात का time होता, so that she can might get into the bed at once, so that she can sleep on this bed, on this tidy and comfortable bed. I think we might have something to eat first, said grandfather. But grandfather said that we should eat something. पहले हमें कुछ खा लेना चाहिए. Yes, I think so too, replied Hadi. Replied means beta answered. And Hadi answered that yes, I think so too. Maybe I also, I was also thinking this. Let us go down then, said the old man. And old man beta, old man is grandfather. Okay, old man is grandfather. So grandfather said, then let us go down. Then downstairs he filled a bowl with milk, and brought it to Hadi with a large slice of bread and a piece of golden cheese, and told her to eat. Okay, please concentrate what she ate. She ate beta. She had bowl with milk, a large slice of bread, a piece of golden cheese. Okay, Hadi lifted the bowl. Beta Hadi picked up the bowl. उसने bowl उठाया with both hands and drank till it was empty. And she drank that milk from the bowl till it was empty. जब तक वो खाली नहीं हो गया तब तक उसने वो milk पिया. Was the milk nice? Asked grandfather. And grandfather asked that, did you enjoy the milk? I never drank anything so good before, answered Hadi. And Hadi told her grandfather that I never drank anything so good before. मैंने इससे अच्छा milk कभी नहीं पिया. then you must have some more. And the old man filled her bowl again. And her grandfather said that if you had enjoyed the milk this that much, then you should have some more. आपको थोड़ा सा और लेना चाहिए. And with this, old man or the grandfather filled her bowl again. And so the time passed happily till at last in the evening. और इसी तरह बेटा उनका टाइम पास हो गया. And now the evening came, and the goats returned from their pastures. Grandfather beta had goats also, and those goats had gone to the pasture meaning beta a land covered with grass that sheep and goats eat. ठीक है, ऐसी लैंड बेटा जो ग्रास से कवर अप होती है, वेयर गॉड्स एंड शीप ईट. ओके, सो टिल द इवनिंग gods also returned from the pasture. Hadi gently patted means beta treated with love, treated with affection. Okay, Hadi gently patted first one and the other one, and beta Hadi treated them with love, the first one also and the others also. Okay, and next, after supper, Hadi said good night to her grandfather. And after having a light evening meal, or you can say after having the dinner, Hadi said goodbye. Hadi said good night. Sorry, I spoke goodbye. Hadi, after supper, Hadi said good night to her grandfather and climbed up to her bed, and she went to her bed, where she was soon lying as sweetly and soundly. Sweetly and soundly means beta without any disturbance, or she was in a deep sleep. Okay, where she was soon lying as sweetly and soundly asleep as any young princess on her bed of silk. Okay, तो जैसे एक प्रिंसेस अपने बेड पे सो जाती है, द बेड विच वॉज मेड ऑफ सिल्क, वैसे ही हैदी जो थी वो उस बेड पे सो गई. द बेड दैट शी मेड बाय हर सेल्फ, द बेड विच वॉज मेड अप ऑफ हे, एंड द बेड विच वॉज वेरी comfortable and tiny for her. Okay, so this is all from this chapter beta. I hope I have cleared you all doubts with all the meanings which are there in between the lines. So this is a very simple story, bache, how Hadi came to her grandfather on the very first day, and how she was exploring each and every corner of the house, and what she ate, how she made her bed by herself, and what she ate, beta, and then she went to sleep on the bed which was tidy and comfortable. Okay, so please beta try to solve these exercises, like choose the correct answer. Okay, the setting of the story tell us where and when the story happened. Where does this story happen बच्चे, कहाँ पे ये story हुई है? In a little house high up in a mountain, in a tall building, in a city. ठीक है, so these are the MCQs. I think so 3 MCQs are there on page number 85 also. So please try to solve them so that you can come to know whether you have understood the chapter in a good way or not. Okay, so please try to do these 2 exercises. Choose the right answer. Okay, it is having 3 questions. Okay, when did Hadi reach her grandfather's hut? कब पहुंची थी वो? Which of the following was not in grandfather's room? बेटा इनमें से हमने पढ़ा ना ग्रैंडफादर के रूम में क्या क्या था, तो उन्होंने पूछा है कि क्या नहीं था इनमें से क्या नहीं था. ओके, उस पे हमने टिक या सर्कल लगा देनी है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट बेटा इज दिस वन, ABCDE. These are all the incident बेटा which happened in the story. ठीक है, तो इनको हमने like फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट कौन सा हुआ स्टोरी में, उस पे नंबर कर देना है 1, ठीक है। देन फिर सेकंड क्या हुआ, फिर थर्ड कौन सा हुआ, फिर फोर्थ, फिर फिफ्थ, ऐसे नंबरिंग करनी है बेटा यहाँ पे, ठीक है। मीन्स क्या क्या पहले हुआ है, फिर बाद में वी हैव टू give them number. You have to read these 5 all and then you have to number here. So I really hope that you will do these 2 exercises, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 exercise. First and second exercise try to do by yourself. Okay, so now this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.